Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into an exhilarating scientific adventure that has led to the discovery of over 1,000 new marine species in just a single year. Thanks to the Ocean Census Alliance, an ambitious global project, researchers worldwide are joining forces to unveil the mysteries of our oceans. In the past year, this collaboration has embarked on 13 expeditions and held 9 workshops, all dedicated to classifying and documenting new marine life. International teamwork is crucial here, as it can take more than 13 years to officially describe a new species. This lengthy process is a barrier to fully understanding marine biodiversity. Among the fascinating finds is a new pygmy fish discovered in the Coral Sea off Australia. Its distinctive red eyes and vibrant orange and yellow markings set it apart from similar species. Scientists also uncovered striped flatworms near East Timor, which may contain toxins that could pave the way for new medical treatments. The Ocean Census Alliance is making significant strides, yet the real challenge lies in speeding up the identification of these new species. This involves a blend of microscopic examinations, genetic analysis, and detailed illustrations, all requiring extensive expertise in marine biology. Surprisingly, many newly discovered species haven't come from fresh ocean explorations but from analyzing samples long stored in museums and scientific collections. The oceans remain a vast expanse of untapped secrets, but with the persistent efforts of the Ocean Census Alliance, there's hope for accelerating discoveries and gaining a deeper understanding of marine life. These efforts illuminate new paths not only for scientists but also offer potential advancements for humanity in medicine and technology. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating science content.